Okay, hi. My name is Dakota, and this is my friend Michael, and I'm about to burp my ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
This is a bad time,
J,
isn't it?
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Yeah.
And
Thanks for watching.
And sometimes you might want to practice and just ignore what my friend did. Okay, and this is Michael and Dakota, and we are
Signing out.
So goodbye.
Hope you enjoyed it.
And goodbye, everybody.